In this video, I'll show you 10 computer tips you'll wish you knew earlier. These tips will help you uncover hidden options and features. So without further ado, let's dive right in. The first tip is related to the context menu. Now, usually when you right click with your mouse on any icon on your desktop, it will show you only the most common used options. But if you press and hold the shift key on your keyboard and then right click on the icon, you would see all the other advanced options available on the context menu, some of which are run as admin and run as different user. Second tip is to recover a closed browser tab. Sometimes you might accidentally close a browser tab that you would like to bring back. To do that, just right click on the tab bar to the right of an open tab and choose Reopen Closed Tab. Another way to do that is to press and hold the shift key, and from the taskbar, right click on the browser icon and choose Reopen Closed Tab. And that should bring back the closed tab. This should work on most common browsers such as Edge, Chrome, and Firefox. Third tip is to extract text from an image. Sometimes there comes a need where you need to grab text from an image you have. Fortunately, now you can do that from Windows without using any third-party tool. If you are on an updated Windows 11 version, you can use the snipping tool. Here, for example, if I want to extract text from the system information page, from the taskbar, click on the Windows search and type snipping. From the suggestions, click on the snipping tool and now click on New and select the portion of text or the page from where you want to extract the text. Once selected, it will be automatically displayed in the snipping tool. Now here on top, you'll find a new option that says Text Action. Click on it, and now all the text should be extracted. And here you'll see an option to copy all text. Once you click on it, you should have your text copied to your clipboard and you can paste it anywhere you like. Fourth tip is useful for users who needs to enter their BIOS settings without waiting for the computer to restart and they need to press a special key on their keyboard to enter the BIOS. You can do it through a shortcut. To do it, let's right click on the desktop and select New and choose Shortcut. And in the location, let's type shutdown /R /FW /T 1. Then click on Next. Now type a name for this shortcut. I'm going to call mine Enter BIOS. Then click on Finish. Once created, let's right click on it and choose Property and then choose Advanced and check this box that says Run as Admin. Then click OK, then Apply and finally OK. And now it should be ready. So the next time you want to enter the BIOS settings, simply double click on it, click Yes when prompted, and it will automatically restart your PC and put you right into BIOS settings. Fifth tip is Quick Assist. On Windows 11, from the taskbar, let's click on the search and type Quick Assist. Then click on it. You should see this window. The Quick Assist lets you share your screen with someone or see someone's screen and be able to remotely control it for assistance. To initiate a request, you would click on the Help button. Now, before this feature was added to Windows, people used to do it through third-party tools such as TeamViewer and other tools. But using the built-in Quick Assist is easier and safer to avoid any scams. Sixth tip is faster Windows search. If your Windows search takes a long time, then you can speed it up by changing the search settings. Right-click on Windows icon and select Settings. Then in the settings box, type Search, and from the results, select Change Search History Settings. Then click on Searching Windows link. And here you can see two different options to choose from, Classic and Advanced. The Classic option is much faster because it only searches documents, pictures, and music folders, and you can customize it further if you want. The Enhanced option is much slower because it searches your entire PC. So make your selection based on what you prefer. Seventh tip is Windows built-in Sandbox. Now, a lot of people might not know about this great feature built in Windows 11. If you want to test or run a suspicious program or visit a risky website, then you can do it in a completely isolated environment called Sandbox. And it won't affect your main computer in any way. Once you close the Sandbox, everything you did including all the settings, will be gone. To use this feature, you need to enable it first. From the taskbar, click on Windows Search and type Features. And from the result, select Turn Windows Features on or off. Once you see this window, scroll down and check Windows Sandbox and then click on OK. It will install the feature and ask you to restart your computer. After restart, let's go to Windows Search and type Sandbox. And you should see Windows Sandbox in the result. Click on it, and once it launches, you can see it's a virtual copy of your Windows 11. Now, one thing to mention is that the Windows Sandbox feature is not available in the Windows Home Edition. It's only available in Windows Pro, Enterprise, and Education editions. Eighth tip is creating an AI-generated image using Paint. In Windows 11, after the new update, there is an amazing feature that came in the Paint app. Let's launch Paint. And here you'll see a new option called Co-Creator. Let's click on it and let's type something in the descriptions box. I'm going to type a cat walking on the moon. And under the style drop box, you can select the type of image you want. I'll select photorealistic and click on Create. It'll take a moment to generate the images, and once it's done, you'll see the result here. And you can select either one to display in the main window. Ninth tip is to close unresponsive apps. When a program freezes or takes too long to respond and it's slowing you down, sure, you can close it by going to the Task Manager and stopping it from there. However, in Windows 11, there is an easier way. Just go to the search box and let's type End. Then click on Enable End Task in Taskbar. And then let's turn on the toggle switch for End Task. Now, whenever a program freezes, you can right-click on its icon in the taskbar and select End Task, and that will force it to close. And the last tip, and the most important one, is to subscribe to my channel. That way you get to learn a lot of great tips and tweaks. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next one.